This video is all about quotation calculator. First, log into your account. Click username and password. Then click the quotation calculator. Input your client name. For example, si Sir Larry Reyes. Date of birth. Lagay po natin. Then, email address po ng client at gmail.com. Then, mobile number po. Marital status. Check nyo kung single ba, married, or divorce, or widow. Click married. Then, select country kung saan po yung current address ni client. For example, nasa Hong Kong siya. Kung OFW si client natin. Then, kung saan city siya. For example, Kowloon. Then, project information naman po. Click natin to. Yan. Meron tayong bungalow, 2-story, 3-story, or 4-story. Example, 2-story pong papagawa niyong bahay. Then, kung ano po yung lot area niya. Example, 100. Then, base floor area. Yung sa buildable na papagawa niya. For example, 80. Then, lalabas na 160. Kasi 2-story po yung pinagawa ni client. Province naman kung saan niya papagawa yung kanyang project. Example, Bulacan. Baliwag. Then, construction package. Which is yung Bare, Basic, Modish, Splendor, then Supreme. Yan, kung ano po yung napili ni client. For example, basic, lagay nyo basic po. Then, mode of payment, meron tayong full, progressive, and loan. Yung full and progressive, this is cash basis. Kung gusto naman niya ng loan, yung sa build now pay later natin, click nyo yung loan. Yan, kung ilang years to pay, lagay nyo po, 25 years, 28,271 ang monthly amortization ni client. Then, sa client-employer naman po natin, employer name, kung saan siya nag-work, kung may business man siya, lagay nyo po dito. For example, ang company niya is ABC. ABC Company. Job title niya, ano yung position ni client. Example, manager siya. Then, kung ilang years na siya sa kanyang work or kung ilang years na po yung business niya, lagay po natin dyan. 15 years. Monthly income naman, kung magkano yung monthly kada buwan niya na nakukuha. And 50,000. Other source, kung meron siyang sideline or may other small business po siya, lagay po natin dito. For example, meron siyang tindahan sa Philippines. Lagay natin. Tindahan. Kung magkano yung monthly po nun, kinikita. For example, 15,000. Then, double check po natin. Informations. Then, click submit. After clicking submit po, yan, nag-generate na po siya ng estimate quotation proposal po natin. Isisend po natin yan sa client po natin. After sending po, magpa-require kayo ng signature or e-signature. Then, set in back to you. Ang purpose niyan, para sa ating online technical consultation. Para meron po kaming data doon sa client. Then, send nyo po yung copy din ng proof of payment niya. And after that, yan, download nyo na lang po yan. Then, save. Yan, send nyo na po doon sa client nyo. And that's the video, guys. Thank you.